Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, fellas. We are live. Good morning. Wow. What a crazy morning already. NFP news this morning. Man, I'm glad I didn't try to pass any evals. I almost tried. I almost reset my Apex accounts and tried to pass those again on NFP this morning, and something just told me, let's not try it. And I'm glad I didn't because it was very choppy. It was very choppy right at the news. So, but man, it's been pretty clean moves since, just straight up. I mean, we might go to the 24,000 today. This market is crazy. Also, oh, I need to go make my coffee. I'll be right back. All righty. All right. All right. Good morning, Jake Dell, Matt. Good morning. Wow, you managed to trade NFP and not blow your accounts. That's impressive. That was very choppy wiki news event. Definitely not a clean move. Timbo, Michael, Bruce Lee, good morning. Jack Wiley, Dove Gordon, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Best Guest Trading, good morning. Timbo, Matt, Almighty, let's go, Matty Lad Trades, Ace Undercover, Garrett, Jim O, Drunk Skunk, Trunk Skunk, I like the name. David Knight, good morning. Gutenberg, Will Grimmer, Dan Taloy, Dan, Fishin' Fool, good morning. Ronix Trader, Edward, good morning, Edward. How we doing, fellas? All right, let's do this. So we are done trading our Lucid accounts today. This account here is the one that we hit the daily loss limit yesterday. So we basically $1,800 is the most you can make and stay within the 20% consistency rule at the $9,000 profit target. So hopefully on Monday we can just have another $1,800 day and then we're basically back to break even. I don't know. We're going to try. It's pretty difficult to recover these accounts once you hit daily loss limit, but maybe. I hope we can do it. Hey, good morning, said Amakre, Prop Factor, good morning. 10 evals passed on NFP. I mean, the clean move on NFP was just to wait until basically this pullback. So, all right, we are going to be trading these Apex accounts. So, buckle in. Buckle up, boys. I will say, so my daily loss limit on these Apex accounts is set at $800. So The most we will lose today is 800. I set it up on QuantGuard. That's kind of what I'm willing to lose today. If we hit 800, we'll walk away for the day. My target is 1200. If we get to 1200 in profit, then we also walk away. So we'll see. Let's see what I want to wait. This is going to be pretty volatile. I would not be surprised if this is kind of choppy this morning. Honestly, I'm kind of hoping we get a pullback. Maybe a pullback into like the 830s again. I do have, obviously, I got my resistance levels drawn up here at the 900s. Let's see if we can get through that. All right, let's see a nice pullback here. I would love to see a pullback back into like the 820s. Maybe even back to the VWAP. I mean, we've seen in the past on these news events, we have seen many times. We get these big moves on the news and then the market opens and we just slowly retrace that whole move. Feel like that has happened quite a bit, but I don't know. I don't know that I want to bank on that. This is getting bought up here at the 850s. Tempted to take a stab at this long. If we get back above that 875 area right here. We get back above this right here. I need to just be patient. This thing could really, I was thinking about trading 10 micros instead of one mini. 10 micros, that way I can take half off. I might actually do that. All right, I just need to be patient here. What are we doing at 11 this morning? I don't know, John. Good morning, John. I thought about that yesterday. I feel like I owe you an apology. Oh, that was ugly. That was brutal. That was so brutal yesterday, John. And I somehow feel responsible for the whole thing, but I don't even. That actually really frustrated me. That actually upset me. I was really close to being mad. I might have been just a tad mad. But that is exactly like, if I can, like yesterday when I trade bad, like that was like the exact how would I say it, like that is exactly how I trade when I trade bad. Like when I take bad trades, yesterday toward the last hour of the stream is just a perfect example of when I'm trading bad. Okay, I'm going to take this. All right, hold on, boys. This is going to get very, very volatile. We need to hold the 830s. Uh-oh. Need to hold right here. Need to hold. I might. Wow, we cannot get anything going here. I don't like this. I don't like it. Got to get out. I don't think we're done yet. We might come test the VWAP all the way down here at the 810s. We're retracing this whole move again. Unbelievable. All right, let's see what we do here at the 820s. Right here at the 820s at VWAP. I mean, it's kind of scary here. We are kind of... I mean, we obviously had a crazy uptrend, but right now it's just wanting to pull back. I think we got to wait. First and foremost, we need to eat our Nutty Bar. Yeah, Ace Undercover. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Dyra, good morning. Ivan, good morning. Good morning, Vincent and Ella. Max, good morning. Artie Trades. MM Coley, good morning. Good to see you. I work in risk management. Good to see you. Good morning. Prop Factor, Darren Koss. Let's go. Clyde, good morning. Almighty, good morning, Almighty. M. Susan. Good morning. RG Ace, Trade with RB, Mark Brandt, Citizen Zero, good morning. Yes, Trade of 8 is up and going. Everything's fine. Ah, man, now it's trying to get going. Man, we literally bounced right at the 820s. I should have probably just waited a little bit longer before I enter that trade, but... That's right, Black Coffee. And now we're gonna rip. You piece of trash market. Always, always too early. Oh man, do we just jump in here? Oh, this makes me oh, I probably need to wait. Oh. We have a blood moon coming and a lunar eclipse. Oh dear, Mr. Wall Street. Hey, what? No, Alpine, no! No, are you serious? Are you kidding me? Oh. Elma or Alpine. Alpine, I can share you the Elmo burning. Hang on. I can share you this I can share you this if you need it. I can share you this one right here. I can share it if you need it. I'm so sorry, Alpine, man. Ah, you know what? Let's start it all back up together. We'll run it back. Oh, I'm so almost. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that sucks. That really does suck. I can honestly say, Alpine. I can honestly say, I know exactly how you feel, and it ain't fun. It ain't a good time. You know what we should do, Alpine? You know what we should do? We should we should just go golf. We should go golfing together. That would fix everything. We should just go golfing. Oh no. That is oh, man, this is starting to look how we're wicking here. Do we just take a short? Do we take a short right here? Ah! Okay, I'm scared. I didn't take it. I didn't pull the trigger. Did I just get in anyway? Nah. You know what? One thing I learned yesterday is I should have just been patient. If I just wait yesterday and I traded in the chop way too much. If I just wait until like after 12 o'clock, it was some pretty easy trading. My trading mate, all screens go white. I have to reboot just about every day. I've never heard of that, Michael. No. You can't be patient if you trade NQ. That's right, Design Knob. Uh, you know what? I talked about this in my recap video last night. I don't know if any one of you actually watch my recap videos, but I'm actually looking at ES currently. I'm seriously considering trading ES during the New York session and trading NQ in the overnight session. I really like NQ in the overnight session, but during the New York session, I just don't do well. And I've been seriously considering switching to ES during the New York session. I love the people that say you just gotta hold. Yeah, the old you just gotta hold method. It works great. It works great until it doesn't. Oh man, that is such a bummer. Yeah, see, this is starting to get into this just kind of choppy, sideways action. Just not a big fan. Pine Tree. Good morning, Pine Tree. Just go with the trend. It's too easy. ES can be maddening sometimes because it moves so slow. Right. And that's why I don't want to trade in the overnight, but during the New York session, it's insane. Exactly, Design Knob. Just hold your winners. Don't worry about the 220 point pullbacks. It's just a flesh wound. Don't worry about it. It's but a flesh wound. Oh, man. That's too funny. Very choppy here. Ay, 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 ay. No, remember, the motto is just trade the range. It's too easy. Just trade the range. It cracks me up. It's easy to trade the range in hindsight. I always like people like, yeah, you just trade the range. It's too easy. It's just a flesh wound as the accounts are all liquidated. Exactly. It's like, don't worry. We'll get more accounts. You know what soothes the soul? A nice fly under the Golden Gate Bridge. Now there's some facts. There's some straight facts right there. We all need a blowout sometime. Reminds us that this isn't easy. It's true, Leon. It's true. It is true. This is not easy. As much as we sometimes want to pretend like it is. You know what gets me, guys? Do you know what gets me going? And I don't want to mention any names, okay? I'm not even thinking of anyone in specifically, but these people that are on Twitter and social media, and you just literally see them every day, they're green. Or every time, it's just they're green. They never have any blow-ups ever. They just, and then they're making like $2 million. It's like, I'm not saying it's fake either. I'm just not sure. I don't know. I mean, I know they're not showing us everything. I know that. There's no way. But I also don't follow them like closely enough to really know if they're showing us everything. But it's like, it's just crazy to me. I mean, they're just like this this is how their life is. It just goes like It's just like this slow, steady uptrend of making insane amounts of money. Meanwhile, this is me. I go like this. It's like up and down, crash, burn, and then back up, and then a crash and a burn. I'll be honest, life is a lot more exciting this way. I'll be honest. Usually selling indicator or mentorship. Facts. Those are facts, Pine Tree. Those are fact. Pine Tree knows. There's just a handful of us that keep it real. I mean, they're honestly, okay, you know what? There are way, way more people that, because I don't ever like, you know what I hate is when I hate when I watch other streamers. Like I watch other stream. What is this market doing? Jeez. But I hate when I watch other streamers and everyone's like, I'm the only guy that shows you everything. Well, yeah. And it's honestly, you know what? There are way more people being transparent in this industry than there were 2 years ago. So for that, I'm grateful. I love seeing other streamers being transparent. Show your losses, show the ugly. And because you know, we all know, anyone that's been in this industry for any amount of time, anyone that is in this industry for like more than a year and looks around, you guys know there's a handful of us that are actually showing you the reality. A lot of people, you only see what they want you to see. And the smart ones, see, this is what's crazy. The smart ones, they'll show you a red day every now and then. Okay? The smart ones will show you a red day maybe once every blue moon because they know that's reality, but they're not even close to showing you all of their red days. It's very selective, but there are definitely people there's way more people being transparent than there used to be. And I love to see that. But anyway, don't jinx it. My emotional videos would overwhelm you. The smart ones don't show anything. We keep it to ourselves. You know, some days I go back and, you know, there are times like earlier this week when I think to myself and I'm just like, oh man, I look at other streamers. I don't want to mention any names. Traits by Matt. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I don't want to mention any names, but there are, and I look at it sometimes and I'm just like, man, you know, they got it made. They don't show anything. They don't show the losses. They just post when they get a payout, and that's it. And I'm just like, man, that actually, they really got life made. They got it all figured out. They probably make more money. Well, I know they do. They make more money than I do. And here I am just showing. And sometimes I'm like, man, am I the idiot in this situation? But I don't think so. Either way, I would much rather be transparent and whatever happens, happens. I know, Alpine. Let's just start a prop firm. It's going to be easier because this trading thing is not it. That's how I feel right now. And I know exactly how you feel, Alpine. Oh, that's so frustrating. It's so maddening because it's just so deflating. Honestly, you know what I did? This sounds insane, but this is true. I literally had a dream, not last night, but the night before. The night before, I had a dream. I had a dream and I still had all 30 of my funded accounts. And I woke up and I'm like, oh, it's so deflating, man. And I've still not fully come to grips with it. Did it happen really quick, Alpine? Like, was it same like it was for me where it was just so fast? Because that's the worst. It's like you don't even have time to process. You don't have time to process what is happening. And you're like in a state of shock for a couple days. I had a dream that Take Profit Trader was moving me to a live after a 10K day. Yeah, you'll be back, Alpine. You know it. You know you'll be back. It's just, we need a little time. We need time. We're not, it takes a little time before we're ready. We're ready to really jump back on that bandwagon. Frank Costanza. I had a dream that an eval passed me. What? Were you on the road and an eval just passed you? No way. Oh, wait. No way, Alpine. You had pending payouts? Oh, now see, that hurts even more. Oh, that hurts even more. Ah. Hey, good morning, Linda. I am so happy to just not be trading. I'm not trading this trash. I'm not doing it. We will wait. I'm feeling like we need to wait till like 11 o'clock to take a trade. The way this market has been doing it. Very ugly. Man, that's one thing when I lost all of my accounts that I was kind of, if there was a silver lining, I didn't really have any accounts that were like right at payout where I was like I think there were 11 accounts where I was like $1,000 away from being able to request a payout, but I didn't have, so that part was definitely kind of a silver lining, but Linda, you had to DCA 3 times for a little profit. That sounds like fun. Hey, profit is profit. Alpine. I'll be back, just going to do a quick press conference for the media. Alpine, this is how it feels. It feels like in football, you're up 21 points in the fourth quarter, and then somehow you end up losing the game. And now you have to go do a press conference and answer all the questions. You don't want to do it, but you have to. Did you guys see that 1 minute candle a while ago when it was around 889 suddenly dropped 40 points? Yes. Right here. This one right here. I did see that, and that's why I'm not trading this. This is trash. Dan Taloy Dan. Trade the range. Wait, Quant Guard is down? Uh-oh. Hold on. Are you sure? I was literally on Quant Guard just a minute ago. Okay, so the protection part of it is still working, but it looks like they're having issues. That's the unfortunate part of a new development. It's new and the kinks are still getting worked out. Just got to be patient. But man, this market is ugly. Ugly. Risk settings not working, still being fixed. I don't know. I thought the risk settings actually are working. Let's go, Matty Matt. Hey, Roa Trades. 10, $200 green, 7 Apex, 3 Buell Knocks. Let's go, Roa Trades. Let's go. Nicely done. Prepare for the, how could you? How does that happen? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It is cold in Ohio. G, it is. Right now in Ohio, it's like this morning we had 48 degrees. We have 48 degrees this morning. It is actually cold. Have you read my question about the account guard for Ninja Trader? Sorry, Artie Trades, I did not see it. When is funding ticks doing 35% again? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know, but if they'd right now, that's kind of what I'm waiting on is just I am not going to just dive into and adding accounts. I'm going to wait till prop firms have a really good sale and then I'm going to load up. So right now, there's not really any really great sale going on. I mean, Take Profit Trader actually is probably the one that I could load up on. I almost did. I almost bought 550K accounts again yesterday from Take Profit Trader, but it's too soon. My ex Take Profit Trader, me and Take Profit Trader, it is actually insane how me and Take Profit Trader have an abusive relationship. It's to the point where we should actually look into it. There's something more going on here. I get pallywhacked just repeatedly. Yet I keep going back. And I could already feel myself. I'm going to go back to Take Profit Trader. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. And I'm just going to... one of these days... one of these days, we are going to crack the code on Take Profit Trader. Can you imagine if I was able to trade Take Profit Trader like I'm able to trade Tradeify or Lucid or Apex with the rules and everything for them? Like, we would be up an additional 60, 80,000 this year if I was able to trade Take Profit Trader. I'm not even joking. One of these days, we will crack that code. And when we do, it is going to be awesome. Look at the constant. This is just so ugly. I have no desire to trade this whatsoever. Yeah, I know it is the issue. I really know. I know what the issue is, but I can't fix it. Hey, good morning, Sharuz. Good to see you. But yeah, the max allocation for funding ticks is 300K total. Are there minimum trading days on Apex evals? No, you can pass in one day. Design knob. Design knob. Design knob with the, I might clip that message and put it on my screen. Design knob. Daily payouts are great. It's just unfortunate that to get a daily payout, you also need daily profits. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. It's very true. John, so funding ticks rules for the hard breach is basically your daily law. It's very similar to the like Tradeify. They don't like the only hard breach is your loss hitting your max loss. And if that the only they do have a news rule, but you don't breach your account if you trade the news. You basically just forfeit the profit if you happen to trade the news. It doesn't close the account, you just forfeit the profit if you made profit. Yeah, I agree, Linda. Market's been moving better in the afternoon. Agreed. We are just continuing lower. I mean, this here is the only place that I'm kind of interested in a long. Right here at the 800. I'm going to take it. I'm going to be very, very careful, or we're just kind of looking to scalp this. If we wick down below, I want to see this wick. Come on, market. Need to get a bounce here. Man, this is crazy that we just retraced that whole news move. We might still be going lower, huh? Rip it! Come on, market. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. I mean, we just can't get anything going here. Come on. Wow. We really not going to bounce off this 800, huh? We really might not. You know, if we close this, we're going to rip this thing. You know that's going to happen. Come on, man. Let's see if we just wanted to wick through that, maybe. Now rip it. Rip it. Come on. Do I just have to kill this? Oh, lit. Okay, that's starting to get me. I'm playing with fire here. Get me a bounce here. Come on. Oh my word. It's just... I don't like... I mean, this area right here has got tons of support, but jeez. We just cannot get anything going here. Rip it. Come on. Stop faking it. Just go. Now go. 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 Don't do it. It's doing the hope and nope strategy. You piece of trash. Come on. Oh my word. I'm getting irritated. I'm trying not to panic out here. Trying to hold. Be bold and hold, huh? And I don't know. This is getting dicey. This is getting dicey. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I hate this market. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, I give up. Gonna get stopped here. Gonna get stopped. I'm just gonna have to accept it. You gotta be kidding. Unbelievable. I'm not sure why I'm not... Okay. I'm so mad right now. No bounce whatsoever. Should have just gotten out. Look at this move. That's so wild to me. Ah, that's a bad trade. Now we're probably going to get a rip. But man, this is just I mean, we just did not even get a bounce at all. Like, what in the world? There it is, the wick down from the highs. Did you use the reverse button, Niles? Nice. Jay, I know, right? You can see 20 seconds ahead. I need to have you like on the phone, Jay. Call me. Tell me what's going to happen. I mean, I'm glad. I don't know. I should have just gotten out. This is just obviously going straight down. I had a chance to get out at break even, and I thought we'd get a nice little push back up before we drop, and we just never did. There we go. 720s, 710s. Man, this is crazy. Are we really just going to sell off today? Look at this. The daily wick, man. If this thing wicks like this, look out. We have the overnight low down here, the 690s. $690s at the very low of the overnight session, and it is looking like we're going to take that out. That is wild. Look at this once again. We had our support resistance drawn up here, but we didn't trade it. Rip, rip. Oh. Sorry, Artie Trades. I was in the middle of a trade. I don't look at chat when I'm in the trade. Hang on, Artie Trades. I can find your message. Give me a minute. If you're interested to test an account guard add-on directly for NinjaTrader for free, only to test if it works for you. I have worked the last month on this. Oh, Artie Trades, I see. I mean, if you want to send it to me, I don't mind taking a look at it. All right, down here, the 690s. We just touched the overnight lows. Wow. Now that's what we wanted to get to the overnight lows. Now we're going to bounce. All right. Fine. Just stopped out up 1K. Might call it a day. Nicely done, Citizen Zero. That's awesome. I would definitely call it a day. If I was up 1,000, I would call it a day. That's what I would do. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. All right, now back up. I need to check something. All right. I mean, I don't even know. Are we going to get is this just going to retrace and make new lows? I mean, you almost feel like this has to be, we got to be looking at shorts. I feel like. The greed goblin is on your shoulder, Citizen Zero. Well, you need to take it and don't do it. Hey, good morning, Tanush. Good to see you. No, design knob. Yeah, that's rough, man. Gelasi, yes, I am. Yep. I know they're still in development and it's gonna take a little time to work out all the bugs. So I know they still got bugs. It's not working as it should, and just gotta be patient. Wow, look at this dump. Continue to go lower. That's crazy. I mean that's wild. We literally are 240 points lower from the highs of the pre-market. I mean, we literally talked about it, but just didn't do anything about it. We talked about how this always once after a news event, we retrace the whole move. It happens so much that I feel like it's time to just start taking action. Like on these kind of news days, just fade the move once the market opens. It definitely has a high percentage chance of that happening. Exactly. It's called a pattern. uh Look at that rip lower. Down below the 650s now. I don't even know. I mean, I'm not even sure what to do here. We definitely did. I mean, we should have, let's be honest, I should have cut that trade. I should have stopped out way earlier and just, but we did get out. So I guess there's that. Yeah, I feel like right now I might need to just walk away. Or lock down these. I don't like. This has the ability to go straight back up or it could dump for another 200 points. That's the kind of day that it's shaping out to be. Right now, I got to say I think this is going lower. We have just seen zero momentum for the Bulls. I mean, zero momentum for the Bulls right now since the market opened. Look at that move lower. Just continuing lower. Man, it's so wild. Hey, 5 trades, you're green, you're walking away. Nicely done, Vincenella. I mean, I feel like this is where we might get a bounce. Do we trust it enough to take a trade here? I just don't think I can do it. The blood moon turning point, it's not until Sunday, but often around those events, it happens a day or so before. I mean, I know, like, even a full moon has an effect on people. I've seen it. This is where I feel like we could see a bounce, but I'm not sure it's worth it. It's just, there's no reason. I just don't think we can do it. I mean, this is just, we just don't have any momentum. Nothing. Look at that. Straight back down. Oh, I read Market Wizards as well, John. Hey, Kevin G. How we doing? What happens to people when there is a full moon? They get crazy. That's what happens. It's been proven. Ask law enforcement or anybody working in that kind of environment. You will see, and they will tell you around the full moon there's always more activity. I mean, I think this could continue. Honestly, we could come retest the 550s down here. There's some support here at the 620s. Had a good week. I'm done 2 small trades and green again today. Nicely done, Black Coffee. That's very smart. Very smart. Solid trader. I'll tell you about my life. It's a full moon every day. uh the brightest full moon phase is called the June big head phase. All right, let's. I mean, it's trying, but every little bounce is just immediately rejected. There's just no momentum at all. I'm just gonna see. I mean, I might take one more trade here, but I think we need to wait and see if we will we get. Nicely done, Iceman. That's awesome. Yeah, man, I should have. Going short was the move. Wow. Going short right there was obviously hindsight is pretty easy to see that. Yeah, I know, TK. Right now, volatility is pretty high right now. I kind of, if we make a move back up into like this 690 area, if we make a move back in this 690 area, then I'm kind of interested in a short if we get a short. But man, this is where it's so dangerous because we've all seen it. Don't, I mean, I trust me when I tell you, this thing could literally turn around and V-shape move all the way back up to the 900s by end of day. We've all seen it. We've all seen it. So that's the dangers with this kind of market. Let's go, Dira. Uh the short from 953 was the move. It was honestly, I mean, obviously everything's so easy to say in hindsight, you know? Hindsight is always 2020, so I try not to go too I try not to be too hard on myself, but I mean, the main thing I did wrong here was just I should have just stopped out. I held that loss way too long. I held it way too long. I mean, I was holding on to hope, and the trade was could have gotten out for break even like twice, and I didn't. Which that's not really what I'm not that upset about that. I should have just cut my losses earlier. Do we do we retrace all of yesterday's move? That would be really crazy if we take out all of yesterday's move. That would be pretty wild. Day traders are getting long, K trader. I don't know that I like that, to be honest. Look at this. Like, we are not getting any bounce at all. Like, this is again just a little fake little wick higher, and then just boom, dropped it right back. And now we're at the 620s. Yeah, if you look at the 4-hour chart, look at this 4-hour chart. I mean, right here at the 620s, we do have some support here. We do have support here at the 620s. So okay, let's see if we get some momentum going here. The 90 MA is to 680s. Wow. I mean, that shows how strong this move is. Look at that. We back up, tested the 650s, just immediately back down to the 630s. Hey, Turkso. I saw your comments earlier, and I kind of let it slide. But if I was looking for your advice, I'll ask for it. Until then, just shut up or get banned. You choose. We're just going sideways. I mean, we're going up and down 30 points here. Literally 620, 650, 630, 650. It's crazy. If we lose the 620s, I mean, the next stop is the 500s. I think. But this is where we would potentially see a bounce right here at the 620s. So do I want to trade it? I don't know that I want to. I'm not sure I want to. Actually, I know I don't want to. It's too dangerous. Random chat advice. Exactly. And there we go, 620s. Hey, look out below, folks. There she goes, 610s. Man, this is wild. This is really turning into... Gosh, this is hard. I don't know, man. You know there's a lot of accounts getting blown today. It's unfortunate. And the reason I know is because I've done it. I hear you. No, do I want to trade it? No, we don't, David Knight. I keep getting tempted. I'm getting tempted to do it, but I'm trying not to. Trying to hold off. I want to test something. Can you guys see that chat? I sent a test. Yeah, you guys can see that? Okay, let's go. All right, awesome. I think I have a different way. I think I can see that dump to the backend server down. No way, Quantcard. That's unfortunate. Trying to think if I like my new chat better. Kinda do. And down we go, 610s. This is insanity. If we were just shorting all these pops, we'd be back green by now. You know that's true. Those are facts. If we would just be shorting every little pop. Look at that dump. Down we go below the 600s. Oof. I think we go test the 550s again. Like, if we look at the 4-hour chart, I mean, 550s or the 500s even, I guess we could test the 550s, but even the 500s is the next area of and look at this daily candle. This daily candle is looking very ugly for the bulls. Very ugly. Wow. Wow. John, you're short. John, let me ask you a very specific question. How much is it worth to you for me not to short? How much is it worth? Think about it. Think about it. Be like, hey. Did you notice the big spike of the VIX earlier? Yeah. I did great on those longs yesterday. Never over ledges. Only had a few micros. Let's go, John. NVIDIA is causing the dump. I see. Currently at the point of control. Yeah. I mean, it's just crazy how every little attempt at a bounce is just immediately like rejected. We're just the Bears are not giving the Bulls any chance here. And right there you go, right back down 590s. It's just it's a bloodbath, folks. It's a bloodbath. There we go, 580s. I'm starting to feel pretty dumb not just to go short. So it might be time to go long. Hey, Soul Search Gurus, good to see you. Good to see you. Man, it's just this is one of those times where you should just be getting short. And but at the same time, it's hard to chase this. I have PTSD from going short on moves like this, and all of a sudden we have 100-point move higher. I have PTSD from that. Man, you only have one button. You know what you should do? They should make a plugin for Ninja Trader where you can basically make it so you can't buy. Well, then you can't get out of a position. Maybe that wouldn't work. Make it so you can only sell all day long. Hey, Soul Search Guru. Hey, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope everything I hope she gets better, man. I've been short 3 times but can't seem to hold for more than a few points before Yeah, I know, David S. We're today the market only goes down. While we wait, can you walk us through your most notorious blocked individuals trip down memory lane? Trader on tilt. Actually, I don't even know. Actually, that's not a terrible idea. Let's see. Let's see who is currently blocked or who is currently banned. Let's see. I'm actually kind of curious. Where can I see? I forget where I see this. Where do I see the people I banned? I can't find them. Is it here? Channel? Oh yeah, here it is. Oh dear. Community moderator. Oof. Oof. Oh, I see here we got I mean, I don't remember these guys, most of them, honestly. I do remember Master Friend. Master Friend. There's a couple in here that I remember. And okay, are we finally getting a move higher, or is this just another opportunity to short? Anyway, all right, market trying to get something going here. This is the first green bar that we see on this Wadatar explosion, which kind of measures momentum. This is our first time that we see green. Are we gonna get the bounce? Could I lend you my gambling dice? I used to be banned by PETA. Yeah, I literally had to go to the BDH and I had to show Ginger, which works for Patrick. I had to show Ginger how to unban me. Or I had to explain to her how to unban when I was at the BDH. That was funny. The first couple days I was at the BDH, I was still banned in his chat. Oh, that's funny. And we are starting to make a move here. Does anybody have the nerve? Anybody got the nerve to short now? Oh, my arm is so... I got like a little bit of a sunburn on my arm. And now it's like itchy. I went to PW channel asking where your $800 was, and he called me. I remember, John. I'm pretty sure he called me worse things than that. You remember he wanted to fight me at one point. He wanted to have a boxing match. Man, that was wild. That was wild. Did I make any money today, David? Not really. We made some money overnight on the Lucid accounts, but we did not. We took one really bad trade on the Apex accounts right here. Just looking for a bounce, didn't get it, and then we just kind of panicked a little bit and held a little bit too long. All right, I mean, this here is where we would look for a short. Do we want to do it? I might actually be, let me look at something here. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, geez. Look at this. It's gonna dump, isn't it? The itch is the worst part of sunburn. Yeah, exactly, Fred. It is. And it gets even worse when you take a shower. The worst part of a sunburn is when you go and Like it's usually like a couple days after, and you go and take a shower and it stings like crazy. Oh, I hate it. Hate it. You need to be quick, very quick. When I get sunburned, I take a steam hot shower. Ah, I see. I see. Man. Oh, someone could ask, why did I not take that short? Unbelievable. Look at that. All the way down. We're going to take out that 550 now. That is very disappointing. Wow. 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 I mean, that was a picture perfect. The mark. How long can a turd stay afloat? That is the question. Matty Matt, I tell you, man, just dumping today. Crazy. It's crazy to think that we were at the 900s just what? We were at the 900s literally 2 hours ago. Wow. Stream is delayed. Price is already at 550. Yep, below the 550s. I think we take out the 500s next, obviously. 540s. It's a bloodbath, guys. Get the women and kids ready. Get the women and kids ready. It's time to take them out. Please abort. Abort. Every time I hear get the women and kids out, I got to tell you guys, maybe there is someone in here that remembers this, but there used to be, this is probably close to 15 years ago. 15 years ago or so, on anybody that traded with Thinkorswim. So Thinkorswim used to have a desktop, like a desk app or a downloadable like Thinkorswim platform. Do you guys, anybody here that traded with Thinkorswim, they had a chatting feature on their add-on. Like you could, it was just a little chatting window and you could chat with other people that were also traders. And that used to be like, people would be in there chatting all day long, just whatever. I mean, you would just be chatting whatever, people would be saying what they think is going to happen, putting in their levels, anything and everything. And I remember there was one guy that literally came in every day, and he, as soon as the market would sell off 10 points, he would be like, it's a crash, get out now, get the women and kids out. It would never fail. He would chat that literally anytime the market moved lower by 10 points or so. And every now and then he would be right. Oh, and he would have himself a field day. I told you guys, I told you. Maybe it was you, John. But I used to be pretty active in back in those days on Thinkorswim. And oh man, that was good times. It was Ponzi. Actually, it would be Ponzi. Ponzi would fit that profile to a T. Oh man. Look at this move, guys. Ay, 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 ay. Why did I not go short? Oh, why? Why? Oh, why did I not do it? You know, people are getting wrecked today. People that are looking for a big bounce are just getting obliterated. I feel bad for them because I feel like I could be that guy today, but I'm thankfully we're okay. We can walk away from a $900 loss today on these accounts, and it's just okay. We're fine. I'm okay with a $900 loss. We can make that back in a day easy. One good day. I did good on futures, got wrecked on options. Yeah, I did all my trading like 15 years ago with options. I used Thinkorswim, and I traded options quite a bit. I mean, I didn't do great. I didn't do terrible, but trading options is just difficult. It's difficult. It's definitely easier trading futures, no doubt about it. Hey, Skeletor, how much am I down? I mean, just look at what the screen says. That's pretty much it. Many people trading today have never seen a bear market. They have seen big sell-offs, but never a bear market. I agree 100%, John. Agree 100%. Like, we have never, like, and I'm talking about myself, but we've experienced like sell-offs like this, but a bear market is like when there's like 9 months to a year where we just continue to make lower highs and lower lows and just continue like a more of a measured move lower and a slow grind lower for like a year or even more. We haven't experienced, right here in 23 from, July until October, but that's just a couple months. Like, we should load more data here. Hang on. How many years did I trade options? I traded options probably 2 years. Did not make any money. I didn't lose a lot, thankfully, but I didn't trade with a whole lot of money either. But I learned a lot during those years. I learned about the data, the theta, and the just all the complicated and how complicated options really were. I'm trying to, like, this, I guess, would be kind of in 2021. We had from December, from January until October. But the market just goes higher, right? The market just goes higher. And right now that seems to be true. Why were the rallies so bad? Did everyone think the dead cat bounces were the bear market were ending? I don't know. I don't know. It's just different. I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked, Pine Tree. I really wouldn't be shocked if we just get a V-shaped reversal move. I mean, it could happen. That's why it's so difficult to short when we've made this big of a move. It's just hard. It's hard to have the conviction that we're just going to keep going lower, but I mean, look at this right now. It's just, every little bounce is just boom, right back down. It took me 3 years to be profitable because you said your first year of trading futures was unprofitable. I mean, honest, well, Karubo. So I traded options I traded options for about 2 years, and then I traded futures for 1 year, and I was actually profitable for about 10 months, and then I literally lost it all in literally less than a half hour. I blew up, and then I took a break from trading for about 12 years. And when I heard about prop firms is when I started trading again. And yes, my first full year of trading prop firms, nothing but losses, nothing but blowups, zero payouts, and about 32,000 in expenses. So it wasn't like I was taking it slow either. I was going pretty hard, and I was blowing like crazy. My expenses were insane. But then yes, last year I had 200,000. Last year I had 200,000 in payouts with about 40, what was it? 44,000 expenses. And now so far this year to date, we're at what? 181 in payouts and 45,000 in expenses. So I really was hoping to have my expenses be lower this year than last year, but obviously that is not going to happen. It is what it is, but I feel like a big part of that is just I've definitely spent more because of straight to funded accounts. That definitely increases the expenses, but and here we go, 500s getting tested. Man, this is wild. It's been a while since we've had this kind of sell off. And this is going to sound insane. I should probably do this off stream, but I want to go long right here. I really do. I've been waiting on this 500 for a long time, and we might. Oh, it sounds crazy though. You know what? I'm going to scale down. Nobody, don't even watch this trade, guys. Don't even look at me. Don't look at me. Don't talk to me, because this is a risky move. I know I'm trying to buy the bottom. I get it. We remember the rule. When we buy the bottom, we can only scalp. We can only scalp when we buy the bottom. Okay, everybody, you can look again. You can look. It's over. It's over. You can look again. Where's the stop loss? Judas Joe. It's imaginary. My stop loss is imaginary. It's on the screen, but I have a new add-on where it makes your stop loss invisible. It's just in my brain. This is why if we retest the 500s, what I would ideally want to see here is a wick below the 500s, and then we rip. If we get a wick down below, I will probably try again. You know what they say about picking bottoms? Unfortunately, I do know what they say about it because I have firsthand experience. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't give me FOMO, market. Please. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO allowed. No FOMO allowed. Ah. Yeah, Fred Yeager. Maybe I should probably share it. But you know what I love? I wish I would have the same template that I am tracking now. I wish I would have started that 2 years ago. Because then I could have an overall profit and loss summary, which, you know what, I could technically do last year. Man, could I? Man, that's actually an idea. I could go back in my credit card statements and get all that information, and I could go back in my bank account and all my deposits for my payouts and just do another spreadsheet for last year. Man, I could do that almost. It would take some time though, man. Oh, man, could I do it? Man, I'm not sure. Feel like the expenses would be the easy. I don't know. I don't know how far back I can go to my. Look at this move, guys. Oh, this is now my time. I told you so. I told you. Oh, man, look at that rip. Wow. Okay, I'm maybe a little bit sad that I didn't hold just a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Maybe I should have held. We were very patient. We waited to take our shot until we got the 500s. And unfortunately, we just did not hold very long. We're going to get a 100-point move here. Wow. This is definitely now starting to become interesting. Is this going to V-shape? It's 11 o'clock. It's the right time. Do we want to trust it? That is the question. That is the big question right here. I'm definitely not buying right here. Well, Harley Trades, I kind of have a rule for myself. I have a rule, a pretty strict rule. When and if I try to buy, if I go against the short-term trend, then I've just kind of started making a rule that I don't look for a big move. That's how I got in trouble in the past. You look for this kind of move, and then this happens, like right here. And I have a difficult time with that. So I'm okay with it. Those are the rules, and I just Now I want to see, like, if we pull back here and wick down below this 553 area and then back up, that's more confirmation that we might have put in the lows of the day. It's hard to tell, but I do think we get a nice bounce, a bigger bounce yet than this. See, now right here is the moment of truth. Right here's the moment of truth. Is this just going to roll over again? I mean, if it does, that's wild. That is wild if we just roll over right here. But we might, at the same time, if we wick down below this 555 area, I might take a long entry if we do that. I want to see it trap the shorts and then we rip higher. But this is also a risky trade, so I might need you guys to close your eyes again. It might not give me an option. It might not even give me a chance to get in here. Man. Didn't play out the way it should have. Real time was over, but they just papered over it. Ah, yeah, there it goes. Now this would be a lot more difficult trade or a riskier trade, but this breakout right here, like right here would be the entry at the 593s, but I don't like getting in on this. I don't like this right here. It has too much potential to be a trap for the longs. I'm just gonna wait. If I'm wrong, if this rips higher now, it just is what it is. I think we go test the 620s. I think we go retest that 620 for sure. But let's wait and see. Here's where I just have to be patient. 20 cents to 20 point scout. Let's go. Nicely done. I just went $15 underneath the 1 to 5 risk reward rule. Apex will deny me. No, you'll be fine. The 1 to 5 risk reward rule is I honestly don't think they track it. The only thing they track really is the 30% drawdown rule. I mean, I shouldn't say they don't track it, but if especially not if it's only that Cole. I've never seen someone get denied because of the 1 to 5 risk to reward rule. I've never seen someone get denied. But I guess, yeah, I don't. Look at that. There it is. It just did not quite get. If this candle goes just a little bit lower, I enter here. And we just did not get the entry. Unfortunate. All right, testing the 600s here. But I think we take out the 620s. That is a 100-point bounce from the lows. This does not look like 100 points. It does not even look like, it looks like 30 points. That's what it looks like when we have these big moves lower. That's 400 points, so. Oh, really? A 5-point target? Maybe if your average win-loss is 5-1 over the whole time, maybe, I guess, but. Yeah, David Wren. Yeah, I agree. All right, 620s, here it is. Oh. All right, 620s, there it is. I mean, now we just wait for a pullback. Harley trades. This indicator is the TDU Wada Atari explosion indicator from Trade Devil Indicators. There's still a chance we make new lows here. There's still a chance. Man, going short right here is kind of a. It's kind of actually not a terrible idea. Not a terrible idea. Feel like I'm kind of going against the current momentum, though. I dare you to buy a red candle. Hey, Kid Poker in the building. Good to see you, Kid Poker. How you been doing? How you been doing? Good to see you. Did you take the long of the bottom? Yes, I did, Liquid. Actually, let me turn on my executions. You can see. Look at this insanity. I literally took the long at the 523s. Unfortunately, we took profit at the 545s. Rip. We should have held, but oh well. So it goes. Man, I could have. Man, this is. Yeah, I don't know, boys. Yep, Ryder Cup next week. Let's go, Kid Poker. I think it's the next week, right? Hang on. When is the Ryder Cup? Let's look. Ryder Cup is September 26th to the 28th. Okay, not next week. Oh, it's actually in. It's 2 weeks. The 26th through the 28th. By the way, NFL season has officially started. How about those Browns? Over under. How many games are the Browns going to win this year? Type in the chat. How many games are the Browns going to win this year? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Yeah, it's in 3 weeks. Have you had more success with getting payouts, trading minis, or micros? That's a good question, actually, Armando. I think, honestly, probably. So I traded micros with Apex. Here, let me look. Look at this thing rip now. Wow. Wow, look at that. So we can kind of see here which one was better. I need to update this one. This has not been updated with my latest payout with Lucid. So we have 61,000 in payouts with Apex, and that is trading mini or micros. That is trading micros, but in my funded futures, Tradeify and Lucid, I traded minis. So, I mean, I guess technically I have made more payouts trading minis than micros, technically. Wow, look at this move. That is crazy. Wow. That's crazy. Could have bought. I mean, I just wanted to see. I mean, I guess he could have bought this trap right here, the 598s. I don't know. I wanted to see a little more. I wanted to see a little more of a pullback there before I jump in. Maybe we get it here. But right now, the Bulls are back. Momentum is in the Bulls' favor, so let's wait till we get a pullback. See if we can jump in. All you had to do was hold. Facts. Facts. What happened to my year-to-date display? What do you mean? My year-to-date? I don't know. It's showing right there, year-to-date payouts, year-to-date expenses. Or are you talking about something else? I don't know what you talking about, long schlong. We just gloat when it's good. You must be confused. You must be confused, my friend. Is there a way to get your template worksheet, Rick Navarez? I mean, I don't really share it. Hey, UK Futures Trader, how we doing? Good morning. How many micros do I usually trade on the Apex accounts? 2 to 4 micros was the standard. All right, we are getting a little bit of a pullback here. Do we just jump in on the... Hey, Jacob, thank you. Bless you as well. God bless you. Oh, you know what? Dyra, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That is, yeah, that's not true anymore. I need to update that promotion banner. Um, I need to update that. A rough week for me. Blew some PAs, but made 5,600 on the downtrend. Nicely done, Tate. The library book cards disappearing. Very true. Yeah, I know, Jacob. Yeah, I saw. That sucks. That's you hate to see it. Do you usually trade micro on a 50K or 1 E-mini? And I mean, usually, I mean, I haven't traded 50Ks in a while, but it depends a little bit. But usually, I would do 2 to 4 micros. Anthony Amp, trading is such a mental game. Yes, it is. Very, very much so. Man, I wanted to see a little more of a pullback here, but we're not getting it. It's just now going straight up, it seems like. I don't know. Guess I could have jumped in there, but it's kind of scary to jump in long after such a move lower today. I mean, ideally, I just want us to get a little better entry. Like right here, my entry would be up here, the 631s. And I don't, it's right at the highs. I don't like that. And now we're just going right back up, breaking above the 640s. Imagine, guys, if we go and make a V-shaped move here, and if we end up going all the way back to the highs today, if we go back to the highs today, I'm just going to delete. I'm going to delete Ninja Trader on my desktop. No, Captain Crunch. I'm sorry, man. Couldn't log in. Tried to buy the bottom. Liquidated at 23,507. You got liquidated at 23,507 trying to long? Oh, now that's rough. That is rough. Man, I'm sorry, man. Ultra Omega, I can't seem to get a payout. I can pass the evals easy. I passed a few 300K. What's wrong with me? Ultra, I mean, it's not unusual. It is not unusual. I always say trading prop firms, you kind of go through stages. The first stage is it's difficult to just pass an eval. And it's difficult to pass an eval That's the first stage. And then once you are able to pass an eval, then it moves to the second stage, and that is to basically to keep a PA account longer than 2 days. It's like as soon as you get a PA account, you just poof, they disappear. And then it's getting that PA account to a payout. And then the next stage is building a buffer in the PA account. There's multiple stages to it, and every stage is like an additional mental hurdle to kind of get over. So it's not unusual to like kind of hit basically or bump your head against the ceiling at each stage, and you kind of got to get through it. And then once you break through it, usually you're good to go. But to get through it, it can be painful and very frustrating. Man, look at this move. Unbelievable. Go figure, market. Go figure. Right back up we go. V-shaped move, baby. Ay, 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 ay. Crazy. Are there any tips for getting through the stages? Oh, there's not really. I think you just got to work through them. But the one thing that I will say that will help you when you feel yourself bumping your head on that ceiling, the most important thing to do is to not like, sometimes people have a tendency to go faster and bigger size. That's the wrong, like, just slow down. Just slow down. Make sure you're only trading one account at a time. Don't copy trade multiple accounts at a time. Just take it slow. Like, basically put the least amount of pressure on yourself to perform as possible. When you're bumping your head, any additional pressure you put on yourself will just make it harder. So just remove any pressures. It's going to make it easier. And then once you break through it, it just becomes easier. And it's weird, but it works like that. Okay, I guess I mean, I'm starting to get a little bit confused here. I want to see us pull back like into this 620, 630 area. Feel like we just have to jump in on these micro pullbacks. And it's not, man, oh man, look at that. It's just immediately back up. Like, this is where I have a hard time. Like, I don't know why, but to me, I don't know. I get it. I have a hard time accepting these V-shaped moves. And obviously, we have not come close to making this move complete. But when we do this move where we just go straight down and then we just go straight back up, I can't, that doesn't make sense to me. It's like, that does not make sense to me. To me, there should be a little bit of a battle or a sideways move happening at these lows before we do make a move higher. Like, there should be a little bit of a back and forth. I don't understand when we just do this straight down, straight back up. It just don't make sense in my head. I mean, I know the reality is it happens, but I don't know. I have a hard time with it. My biggest tip for becoming a better trader is screen time. Yeah, 100%, Eric. I agree. You can back test all you want, but getting screen time and actual experience in trading is the most important thing you can do. Zoom out bigger time frame to help be more clear. I mean, I guess. I mean, guy, look at. I mean, I'm not one to brag, guy. I don't want to brag. but these levels, these little gray area levels have been on this chart for days. Look at how we came precisely to the 900s and precisely to the 500s. That's crazy. That is crazy. If only I traded it. That's the unfortunate part. I guess we did trade this one, but we didn't hold. There were signs up here though. There were definitely signs to short right here at the 900s. And look at that. Right back up we go. 660s, 670s. Oh, man. Now I'm just starting to be. Oh, you talk about the 15-minute? Oh. I'm just glad I'm not trying to short this move higher. I'm thankful that I'm not trying to short this move higher. Do you know why Quantcard's still down? Let me. Is it still down? Because I thought I know the server, they need to update their servers. Yeah, can't Kid Poker. It is tempting to short. I'm trying to just pay attention to this. Trying to pay attention to the momentum and just try not to go against the current momentum. And we are obviously, the momentum is going higher. What I have a hard time with is just there's no entries here. Like, I need an entry. I'm not going to just. Okay, now we're getting a pullback. Maybe. This is also like this is where this makes me nervous. This is where we can just see this dump as well. So gotta be careful. But I feel like waiting for a pullback into this 630 area, I think is what we want to do. Just wait for this 630, test this 21 EMA, and then wait for an entry. We got to wait for an actual entry here. Right now, I want to see this go retest this 620, and then if we break back above the 640s, I think we jump in. This is. Okay. All right, I feel like we can, if we get the wick here, then we can take this entry. It's kind of, I mean, we're losing some momentum here, so it's getting a little bit scary. It's a little scary here. Let's see if we get filled. And we are filled. Oh, snap. Everybody pray. What happened? Oh, I know what happened. Dang it. And we are locked out for the day, folks. We are, because I just got the notification. The quant guard is back up and running. It's probably just for the best. It's probably for the best. I had my daily loss. Yeah, quant guard is back up and running. No, I didn't. I got out. I'm out of the trade, and we are actually done for the day because we are locked. We are locked. So looks like quant guard reached out to me. They said so they had to upgrade their servers this morning. I know quant guard's been down quite a bit. I know they've been down quite a bit. It's part of developing something from scratch, and it is what it is. You're gonna have that when you're developing and basically in beta mode still, so it's okay. Let's do some flight simulator. Hey, I'm down. I'm down to do a flight simulator flight. Where do we want to fly through? We need a challenge. Somebody give me a challenge. What flight do we want to do? Comments on the chart. It's very faint. Unable to read it. I guess I could. What are my specs on the new PC? You want to see the specs? Ooh, I like to show it. Hang on, I'll show you. She's a bad boy. She's a bad girl. Fly over Space Mountain. Can't see your buy sell levels. Oh, you mean this right here? So these are my specs. These are my specs on the new computer. That's my layout for my monitors. We've got a monitor here, 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 and here. We have my rig is Intel i7 14700K, 64 gigabytes of RAM. Actually, we have, I think, 12 terabytes of storage. We have the RTX 5090 graphics card. She's nice. She's real nice. Man, I'm glad I'm not in this trade. I am so happy to be locked out. Crash is still a landing. Hey, a landing is a landing. What are you talking about? I see Black Coffee. Make sure, okay, does it show like you're connected? Yeah, that I know there's some bugs and they're working on it. Yeah, Jimenez. I know it's I know it can be frustrating. I mean, you just gotta, it's part of a beta startup. It takes some patience, and you just gotta work together, and in the end, it'll be worth it. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, black coffee. It's probably that's what it is. Just it's a bug that will be hopefully over the weekend, upgrading the servers, everything, and hopefully get everything rolled out officially. All right. Do we want to do a flight? Do we want to do a flight or not, guys? I'm down. I'm down if you guys want to do it. We'll do a final flight before we call it a day here on a Friday. I'm trying to think, where do we want to land? Like, where do we want to fly? The Golden Arches, that was a really good idea. What other? Ooh, fly through the Grand Canyon. Actually, that's not a bad idea. I like that. Let's do it. We'll take you guys on a special tour of the Grand Canyon. Maybe we could even land at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. And then you guys can get out and hike all the way back up to the top. You should land on your favorite golf course. We should land on Pebble Beach. Pebble Beach, like the fairway number 14. Don't tempt me with a good time. All right, let me switch over to this. Hello? Why? Hang on. Looks like we got the wrong. There we go. Where's my controller? All right, you need volume. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Grand Canyon. Where is the Grand? First of all, we'll need to find the Grand Canyon. Okay, right here's the Grand Canyon. Oh, wait, we can just take off right here? Hang on, maybe we can do it. What is this game? This is Microsoft Flight Simulator. The best game. Feel like the market, we might be in for, like, this might just go sideways now. This might just go sideways. Markets. Oh, here we go, boys. All right, I feel like we need to actually put...
Canyon Tower. Boeing Foxtrot Sierra 2024 ready runway tree. Departing straight out.
Can I put a... I need to put something of a... Can I put like a something on my map? I don't know. All right, start your engines. Here we go. I hope we have enough runway to take off here. All right, everybody buckled. Everybody buckled. Here we go. We're going to have to do some, I think we have enough runway. Still need, come on, we need to go. No problems, no problems. Ooh, what do we got here? Look at that nice area. Nice resort. Okay, I see the Grand Canyon Visitor Center. It's right here. Okay, we need to get the flaps up. I see the Grand Canyon.
Leaving my airspace. Frequency change approved.
No! Why are we crashing? What? Okay, I think that was probably a glitch with I think it was my computer, like a glitch something. Nothing to worry about. I think yeah, nothing to worry about here. Everything's fine. Sorry guys. I think we're fine. It was just a flesh wound. Wow, look at the Grand Canyon. This is actually really cool. Look at this. Look at this. That's the... What? That is crazy. Alright, it's time to go down, boys.
Acknowledge last transmission.
The official tour starts now. Whoa! I mean, the guys might be a little lightheaded. Don't worry, it's fine.
Foxtrot Sierra 2024, please acknowledge.
Yeah, I know I'm going too fast. It's fine. Man, this shows how big the Grand Canyon is.
Foxtrot Sierra 2024.
I want to go down to the river.
Good day.
Right now might be a good time to call your loved ones. Might be a good time to call your loved ones. Tell them you love them. Not Not trying to say anything here, but I don't know. Might be a good idea. Hard to, you guys are getting a wonderful tour here. I hope you guys appreciate it. You won't get a tour like this anywhere else. Guys on the left side of the plane, you guys can definitely get a good view of this. At some point, we're going to have to get up some speed here to get up over the ridge. Can we make it out? Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Oh, that was cool. Man, the Grand Canyon is huge. All right, we need to find a place to land. Market is just kind of bleeding lower right now. I'm so happy I got out of that trade. Here you go, guys. Take a look right down below you. There's some beautiful scenery here. A really nice part of the Grand Canyon here. I have no idea where we're at. We need to find an airport. Where's the nearest airport? I think that might be something over here. Let's see if we can go find it. We just need to put this plane down. The goal today, try to land the plane without any bounces. That's our new objective. I'm not sure this is an airport. This might not be an airport over here. don't know, guys. We might have to put the plane down in the desert. Tell if they have an airport or not. I think that is an airport. I think so. Prepare for landing, guys. Prepare for landing. We're preparing for landing. Oh, we went too far. Hold on, guys. It's fine. Might have some turbulence here, but it's fine. Just a little bit of a sharp bank to the left. No concern. Don't worry. Everything's under control. Oh snap! Okay, we're oh snap! Woo! Things are getting a little crazy here. We might have to do a go around. Okay, go around, full go around. We're not gonna make this. Okay, go around, go around. We can make it. We can do it. Need some speed here. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh no, not like this. Not like this. Oh. Give me speed. I need speed. Not like this. Oh, we were scraping the bottom. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Everything's under control. Okay, let's come in for landing again. Oh, I don't like this. Pilots, we need to get this under control. If you're not seasick yet, I don't know what to tell you, but okay, disaster averted, disaster averted. We will come in for another landing. I do apologize for the turbulence. It was a little bit on the rough side. That's on me. But everybody's alive. Nobody has died yet. Yet. Like I said, it might not be a bad time to call your loved ones. Alright, go around number 2. Here we go. we go. Where's my airport? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. This is better. I like it. Flaps. Flaps. Give me the flaps down. Come on. Come on, co-pilot. We're coming in too hot. We need flaps. 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 Oh, no. We're not going to make it. Go around. Go around. Go around. We need to do a go around again. Oh. Very stressful here. This is 90% of these issues are my co-pilot. My co-pilot right there. My co-pilot fell asleep. It didn't give me the flaps I needed. Why don't we try the approach from this angle? Maybe that'll go better. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Nobody's died yet. All right, preparing for landing number 3. Preparing for landing. Preparing for landing. Cut the engines. Give me the flaps. What is going on with my flaps here? Flaps. I need flaps. Cut the engine. We need to lose speed. We're going too fast. We're going too fast. Cut the engine. Cut the engine. We need to lose speed. We're going too fast. We might have to do another go around. Oh no, we don't even have our landing gear. Go around, go. We're done. We're done. Gotta go again. We're going too fast. I mean, this is harder than it looks, guys, I promise. I hope you guys are enjoying the scenic tours of wherever we are. Okay, we need to give ourselves a little more room to slow down. I think we're good now. Okay, I think we're good now. I think this is the one, guys. This is it. This is the one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's my airport? Where's the airport? Oh, there it is. We need more speed. We're about to stall. Oh, no. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. We're running out of fuel. We gotta ditch it. This is the one. This is the one. Everybody buckled. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on, hold on. We did it. We did it. Don't worry about the errors. Don't worry about... Woo! Let's go. We're alive. You're alive, guys. You might have some, I don't know. You might have had some issues. You might be scarred for life. You might never fly again. But you're alive. You're alive. That was definitely not the smoothest landing. I'm not sure why I'm bouncing. I think I'm coming in too steep. My vomit bag runneth over. That's fair. Yeah, that's fair. That was pretty ugly. Anybody up for another round? Oh man, that was rough. That was rough. Woo! Oh man. That was wild. Do I fly for spirit? I might have to take some flying lessons again. Feel like I'm missing some very important parts of landing. Oh. There, by the way, I forgot to mention my flight, Nutty Bar Airlines has a very strict no refund policy. So no refunds will be issued for that flight. We have a very strict no refund issue policy. So I'm very sorry about that. I was in a bad trade and you were increasing my anxiety. Wait, David Wren. Are you serious? No way. Your 29-year-old daughter passed away last Saturday. She camping and fell off the cliff around the Grand Canyon. Oh, that is like my worst nightmare. I'm so sorry, David Wren. I'm so sorry. Hey, my condolences. Wow. I cannot imagine. I cannot imagine. Oh. Oh, man. Very sorry, David Wren. Man. I hate to end it on I think I am going to call it a day. Obviously, I am pretty much done trading for the day. We cannot. Man, that's terrible to hear that, David Wren. And I picked the Grand Canyon. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's terrible. That is like my worst nightmare. I am like deathly scared of heights. Oh man. Okay, well, hey, I think I'm gonna end the stream here and go. I'm gonna try to go play some golf today, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Also, I almost forgot. I will not be streaming Monday. I have a day off planned. One of the guys that I play golf with a lot, he is going into the mission field, and we're doing like a final send off for him on Monday, and we're gonna do an all day golf event or play golf all day as a send off. So I will not be here on Monday. So I will see you guys, I guess, on Tuesday. So take care. Appreciate every one of you. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and God bless.